Hi, I'm Aaron Oxborough, a software engineer in beautiful Davis, California, and I've built a proof of concept with OST kit called Ðime.photo. It's a photography and meme sharing site similar to Reddit, Imgur, or Flickr. The site uses branded tokens called dimes, which incentivize users to contribute and participate in the community. The site demonstrates how a working economy can be built around karma tokens on the blockchain. Let me show it to you. Hi, I'm going to show you Ðime.photo. The site is live. You can go there now, sign up, post photos. That's what we're going to do now. First thing I should mention is down here is a queue of jobs which interact with the blockchain. So as we interact with the site, we'll see jobs added to the queue down here. So first thing I'm going to create is a account for Roger. Created an account. We should go verify our email. We won't do that yet. But we were gifted 500 dimes, and we'll see that we now have a wallet address on the OST blockchain. So we'll see the dime transfer show up here in a few minutes. So now that I have my 500 dimes, I can spend them to upvote or create posts. We like this royal wedding photo. So if we look at Steve's profile, we can see that he has 443 dimes. And if we upvote his post, we're actually transferring a dime to Steve. So he now has 444, and I have 499, one less. So that is upvoting. Now let's create our own post. I have a selection of cute dog photos here. We'll put them in the cute category. We'll create our new post, which costs 10 dimes. So now we're down to 489. And we'll go find our post on the home page, and I think that this photo of cute dogs deserves a little more shine. I'd like to promote the photo, so I can spend 100 dimes to promote this photo for 24 hours, which will put it at the top of the page, at the top of the home page. So if I promote, it gets a little bigger, just push to the top, and now hopefully I'll get a little more attention for my photo. So if we go back to my profile, I spent another 100 dimes to promote the photo, and if we check in on our wallet, we see there's a little bit of an exchange rate. It's 100 to 1 for the real dimes on the site versus the blockchain. So 5 dimes were gifted to me on user registration, and I spent 1 dime to upvote, and then there will be a few more transactions, which is, there we go, posting, which was 10 dimes, and then promoting, which was 100 dimes. And we can see that in OST kit, my user is there with the correct dime balance, 389. So that's Ðime.photo. Feel free to go and play with it. It was fun and easy to integrate with OST kit, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to do this developer challenge. Thanks.